In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to Clickfunnels. We're going to walk through this process from start to finish. So even if you're brand new to Clickfunnels or page editors in general, you'll be able to follow along easily and get your video showing up exactly where you want it on your page. First, make sure you're logged into your Clickfunnels account and you have the funnel and specific page you want to edit already created. Once you're on that page, open it in the editor. This is the main workspace where you can visually build and customize your page. You'll know you're in the editor when you see the layout of your page with different sections, rows, and elements that you can click on. Next, look for the Add Element option. This is usually represented by an orange plus icon. This button is what you'll use anytime you want to add something new to your page, whether that's text, images, buttons, or, in our case, a video. Go ahead and click that orange plus icon to open the Elements panel. Inside that panel, you'll see a list of different element types. Find the one labeled Video. Once you've located the video element, click and drag it onto your page. As you drag, you'll see highlighted areas that show you where the video can be placed. Drop it into the section or row where you want your YouTube video to appear. Take a second to position it in a spot that makes sense in the flow of your page, like near a headline or above a call to action button. After placing the video element, click directly on it to open its settings. When you select the element, a settings sidebar or menu will appear, usually on the right or top of the screen, depending on your layout. This is where you control what kind of video is displayed and how it behaves. In the video settings, look for the option labeled Video Type. Change this setting to YouTube. With that set, go over to your YouTube video, copy the video URL from your browser's address bar, and then paste that URL into the designated field in Clickfunnels. Make sure you're using the full video link, not a playlist link or a studio link. If you've made your video unlisted on YouTube, it will still work as long as the URL is correct. Once your YouTube URL is pasted in, you can quickly review any additional options, like autoplay, controls, or volume, if they're available in your version of the editor. These are optional, but it's a good idea to at least confirm that the preview looks right and that the thumbnail is the one you expect. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right of the editor, and click it. Saving ensures that your changes are stored and will appear live when visitors land on your page. If you'd like, you can also preview the page after saving to double-check that the video appears correctly and plays without issues. And that's all there is to it. By opening your page in the editor, adding the video element, setting it to YouTube, pasting your URL, and saving, you'll have your YouTube content embedded and ready for your audience inside Clickfunnels.